Hello everyone. Welcome back to another English learning video. In today's lesson, we'll look at 20 prepositional phrases that will help you improve your speaking and writing. These are everyday phrases you can use in real conversations, and I'll explain each one with meanings and examples. So, stay with me till the end and let's get started. Number 1, according to. According to means as stated by or in agreement with. According to the news, it will rain tomorrow. You can say when we use according to, we are showing the source of information. Ahead of. Ahead of means before or in front of. She finished the project ahead of schedule. This phrase is used for time or position. Here, it means she finished earlier than expected. Along with. Along with means together with. She came to the party along with her friends. We use this when one thing happens together with another. Apart from. Apart from means except for or besides. Apart from English, he also speaks Spanish. This phrase can show exclusion or addition, depending on the context. As a result of. This means because of. The flight was cancelled as a result of bad weather. This phrase explains the reason why something happened. As well as. It means in addition to. She is talented in singing as well as dancing. We use it when we want to add extra information. Because of. Because of means for the reason of. The match was delayed because of heavy rain. This phrase gives the cause of something. Close to. Close to means near. The school is close to my house. We use it when something is nearby. Due to. This means because of. The train was late due to traffic on the tracks. It is similar to because of, but often used in formal situations. Except for means not included. Everyone passed the exam except for John. This phrase shows that one person or thing that is different. Far from means not at all or distant. The hotel is far from the city center. It can mean physically distant or in some cases completely opposite. In case of. It means if something happens. In case of fire, use the stairs, not the elevator. This phrase is common on warning signs and instructions. In comparison with. In comparison with means when compared to. In comparison with last year, sales have improved. We use this to highlight differences between two things. In favor of means supporting. The judge ruled in favor of the defendant. It shows agreement or support for someone or something. In terms of. In terms of means regarding or concerning. In terms of price, this phone is affordable. This phrase helps us look at something from a particular angle. Instead of. Instead of means in place of. He ordered tea instead of coffee. It shows a choice or replacement. Next to. It means beside, very close. The bank is next to supermarket. It tells us about location, right beside something. On account of. On account of means because of. The picnic was cancelled on account of the rain. This is another formal way to express reason. Out of order. Out of order means not working. The vending machine is out of order. We use it when something is broken or not functioning. With regard to. With regard to means concerning about. With regard to your request, we will respond soon. This is a polite and formal way to introduce a topic. Well done. You have just learned 20 powerful prepositional phrases with their meanings and examples. Try to practice them in your daily conversations so they become a natural part of your English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English learning videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.